If I had to make $100 online today, no website, no audience, no fancy setup, here's exactly what I would do. Simple aligned steps that you can take right now. Turn what you know into income. Now let's just get right into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Olivia Janelle, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start making money online. Coming in with number one is sharing something you've already figured out. You've already overcome something, a challenge, process, a mindset shift. And friend, that story is truly valuable because guess what? Maybe you figured out your perfect routines. Maybe you figured out how to stay consistent. Your perfect routine, morning, night, doesn't matter. Or maybe you've also learned how to navigate burnout or organize your week. You see, these things are very simple, yet you can start monetizing every single thing that you know right now. Whatever it is, you can turn it into a simple guide, checklist, or even a digital journal. Now, the digital journal is not going to be like the ones that you see, post this on Amazon, gratitude journal, etc. Those things are cool, they're great, but what's really going to move the needle is getting somebody from point A to point B with what you know. And the best part is, it doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be real and helpful. So how are you going to get your product to your customer? You can easily upload every single thing for your business on StanStore. StanStore is the easiest way to start selling digital products. No tech headaches, no funnels, just upload your product, set a price, and connect the link to your bio. Of course, there's definitely other strategies that you can also implement too, which I will be creating another video in the future. This is what I use to host all of my resources and my low ticket offers. I didn't have to create a fancy website. I just needed to get my product up and going and stop with excuses and start with action. Next thing is, how are you going to get your first sale? The best recommendation that I have is to talk about it as if you were talking to a friend. People buy connection before they actually buy your product. So instead of saying, buy this guide, try this. This helped me when I was stuck. So I made it for you too, because people buy from people, especially if they connect with you. This is how you're going to build trust and momentum, because you're being human. You're not being this polished thing that has to be perfect. And guess what? They're gonna buy from you. If you would like 14 days free of StanStore on me, please check out the link in the description box below. I want you to know this: you need a voice, a little structure, and the decision to go all in. To help you begin, I created a free personal brand guide that will walk you through how to clarify your message and package what you know. You can download it now in my StanStore. And while you're there, join my free Align Brand Collective community, a space for creatives and coaches who want to grow from the inside out together. Inside the community, you'll find clarity prompts and also mini guide tutorials. If this video gave you some clarity, comment in the section down below. I'm ready to share what I know. Subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, keep showing up, keep shining, and stay sunny side up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.